is the concept of subtracting unlike fractions. Unlike fractions in the sense the two different fractions which have the different denominators. Here I will show you what is unlike fraction. For example, 3 by 5 and second fraction is 2 by 8. These are the two fractions which have the different denominators. Okay, so here is 5, there is 8. So these are the fractions which are unlike fractions. So now we are going to see how to subtract these unlike fractions. First example, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 8. Okay, so let us see how we are going to subtract. So first you have to write the question one, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 8. Next, I am going to take the cross multiplication numbers are 3 and 8. Okay, first you have to do the cross multiplication 3 and 8. 3 8s are 24. Next, minus 5 and 2. How far you multiply the first set of numbers? The way you have to multiply the second numbers 2 and 5. So 2 5s are 10. Next, the common denominators will be, you have to multiply these two denominators which are 5 and 8. 5 8s are 40. That's all. Just you have to subtract 24 minus 10 will be 14. Denominator is 40. If is it possible to make the number as a simplest form, you have to do. Here 14 and 40 will come in the 2 table. 14 in 2 table become 7 times. 40 in 2 table become 20 times. So the final answer is 7 by 20. Okay. So let us see that. Next one more example. 4 by 9 minus 2 by 5. The same way you have to copy the question 4 by 9 minus 2 by 5. The same way we have to multiply the cross multiplication. Okay, do the cross multiplication. 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20 minus 9 and 2. 9 2s are 18. Common denominator is 9 5s are 45. That's all. Again 20 minus 18 will be 2. Okay, so divided by 45. Now you have to check out. Is it possible to make into simplest? No, because 2 and 45 will not come in same table. So this is the final answer. Thanks for watching children. Subscribe our channel for getting the upcoming videos.